Court of India today took exception to certain scurrilous statements made against minority religions in the PIL filed by BJP leader Ashwini Upadhyay alleging that mass conversions are taking place across the country. The Supreme Court today asked senior advocate Arvind, who is appearing on behalf of the petitioner, who was seeking directions to prevent alleged deceitful religious conversions, to ensure that such disparaging remarks do not come on record. Senior Advocate Dushyant Dave, appearing for certain Christian organizations which are seeking to intervene in this case, apprised the bench comprising Justices M.R. Shah and S. Ravindra Bhat that the petitioner has made extremely distasteful allegations against other religions. Dave also pointed out that the petitioner Ashwini Upadhyay himself is currently facing a hate speech case. Dave argued further during the hearing today, and I quote here, "These allegations that certain religions are perpetuating rapes and murders, these averments should not be on your lordship's file. Your lordship should ask them to withdraw. Paragraph 20 to 30 in the additional affidavit are scandalous. It sends terrible signals to the minority communities in the country that the Supreme Court is allowing this to go uncontested." Taking note of this, the Supreme Court bench today asked Datar to ensure that such allegations are removed from the record. Justice Bhat said during the hearing today, addressing Datar, and I quote again, "Mr. Datar, please consider why are these allegations being made. You consider it and moderate this. You should not have all these on record," Justice Bhat mentioned. In response, senior counsel Datar assured the bench that such disparaging remarks would be removed from the record. The bench accordingly adjourned the hearing to January 9th to await the affidavit of the central government. The counsel appearing for the union government today sought a passover, saying that Solicitor General of India Tushar Mehta was engaged in another bench. In a brief hearing conducted today, Dave requested the bench to allow the applications filed by organizations seeking intervention in this matter. Justice Shah said that it will be considered on the next date of hearing. On the previous occasions, the bench comprising Justices M.R. Shah and C.T. Ravikumar had observed that forceful conversions were a serious issue. Commenting that charity cannot be used for conversion, the bench had asked the centre to collect information from states regarding the steps taken against conversions through force or allurement. The bench had also said that it will not accept the objections raised against the maintainability of the PIL by certain interveners who pointed out that the Supreme Court had earlier refused to entertain a similar PIL file by the same petitioner on the same issue. The interveners had alleged that the petitioner was indulging in forum shopping after unsuccessfully pursuing the matter before other benches of the Supreme Court as well as the Delhi High Court. For more information on what transpired during the hearing today, you can refer to a detailed report, the link to which has been given in the description box below. Thank you. I'm Aratrika Bhaumik for Live Law. Keep watching Live Law for more such updates.